Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok. A trade. It's been a week of the records. Anticipation for the Fed actions and a general vibe of optimism out there sprinkled with a corporate earnings drama. Listen, we had some record highs here. The Dow and the S&P 500 hit new record highs thanks to tech stocks and solid earning reports. Inflation's chill. Listen, inflation's cooling off with the CPI showing the slowest annual increase in quite a while. And the Fed's talking about their next move. Everyone's betting on the Fed's cutting rates and fairly soon, which has the market buzzing. So, earnings season, companies like Netflix boosted the market with strong earnings, while others like Oracle and GameStop also made some headlines. And if you look here at the economic data, we got a mixed bag of jobless claims, slightly up, but still lower than expected. But guys, we got some very interesting things. We got the SOM rule saying we are in a recession. We got the bond yield inversion solidly now de-inverted. So that is a major recessionary indication. My name's D7 here with Grok Trade, and let's take a look at the markets. I missed last week because we had to flee hurricanes. So Hurricane number 1, Helene, hit us down here in Tampa, Florida, and then Milton came knocking on our door. Mandatory evacuations, and we did just that. Look at the spider. Rising wedge. We're at major resistance. The red line shows higher swing highs. The red line shows lower swing highs on the MACD, lower swing highs on the RSI. That's called a bearish divergence. We are topping out, guys. This is a time to be selling, not buying. If you look over here, small caps on Friday was in negative territory. That will a lot of times lead the markets. Financials will do the same. Financials were the weakest out of all the positive indices that we see out here on the ETFs. So if we look here at the diamonds, same thing. Diamonds record high, but we're higher swing highs, lower swing highs, bearish divergences. We are topping out. We just don't have capitulation type volume for a reversal. I will call a market top when I see that. I'm not seeing that yet, but I am anticipating a market top for that will last 18 months coming up at some point here. And the Qs, if you look at the Qs, bouncing around a little laggy compared to the rest of the markets, not making all-time highs, but at major resistance, you can see right there. If you look at the Russell 2000, popped up a little higher here. You'll see we're in uptrend. And yeah, that's it. Uptrend. We're up here. We're starting to pull back a little bit. And financials, if you look at this, just up in a way, but at major resistance. See this? Higher swing highs, equal to lower swing highs. Bearish divergence on a rising wedge. Looks like a great area to be looking to go short in the markets. And US dollar had a solid rally starting in the end of September, up. But listen, we're really overbought at this moment. Look for that to pull back some. US dollar should be pulling back. Gold, very, very high, up, in an uptrend, looking nice. Silver just exploded higher. Boom, to the upside. A lot of people buying gold and silver. VIX is at 18 and Bitcoin is on the march upward. And yes, I'm not showing my face here, not for any other reason than I'm sitting on my couch, very relaxed, watching football on a Sunday afternoon. And we did receive zero damage to our home. Our home is an 18-foot elevation. That helped us. We had some surges as high as 15 feet, but that was south of Tampa. That was not here. So that means we didn't get the flooding that a lot of people did. We got a lot of inches of rain that come through and just a ton of damage to buildings and trees. And we came back up, roughly 2 weeks later, and they are still cleaning up. And many of our friends, big time in bad territory. Listen, I want to share with you this Saturday. if you want to, this is it's a little get together. It's a meetup. If you want to meet up with us on Saturday morning, feel free to do so, but it's not for everybody. It's only for people who are interested in learning about trading algorithms. So it's a 101 class. I'm just going to fire up the computer and show you what these trading algorithms are and how I use them through TradingView. And I'll tell you my hope behind this, and you can see on the screen right now, it's where we're going. If you go to Grok trade/trading or algo class, that will get you there. And let me tell you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for to create a small community of individuals who are geeks like I am on trading, and who likes the idea of trading automation. And if you're an engineer-minded type person, techie type person, feel free to join. Or if you think you could be, feel free to do that. You do not have to be a developer. I'm not a developer. I'm going to be showing kind of my tips and tricks. I'm going to be sharing some of my hacks that I do to create trading algorithms. I have my own on OpenAI. If you go to ChatGPT, go to custom GPTs, look for PineScript ER. That is me. I created that and through Grok Trade, and it creates all of our trading algorithms by just a prompt. But it's this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, and it's a meeting. I highly recommend keep your video cameras on and then keep yourself muted. That's what I prefer. You don't have to do you don't have to have your camera on. I do ask that you keep muted unless you have a question and we can engage. But it's just an open class. It's a meetup. It's just us. But I will be teaching because I want you guys to advance. And if I can create this nice ecosystem of developers, or not developers, but creators of trading algorithms, that should only benefit us all together. Feel free to join us this Saturday if you'd like. And if you haven't done so yet, give me a like. Doesn't cost you anything to do that. It helps with the algos, and it shows me that you're listening and you do appreciate this. And on a personal note, my aunt did pass away from ALS, and I went to her funeral. She was a believer, and for that, it was a bittersweet thing. And I just want to share with everybody that if you are dealing, and I saw all the comments, and thank you for the comments. Thank you. I know some of you are dealing with and have dealt with ALS or a terminal disease, cancer, so what. Listen, my heart goes out to you. It is no good, no fun, no bueno. And it takes us to lean on God himself to help us through this difficult time. So take care. And for some of you, I'll see you guys Saturday. See ya. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you are a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.